I swear every time I pull my camera out to do this intro, another cop shows up. Anyway, so we're about 40 minutes out from St. Louis. You know, like where that arch thing is and all of that. I've been on the road for like 3 hours. I am barely staying awake. I had to pull over and take a nap already. It's just miserable. My buddy Mondo has been working on a little bit of a deal with the St. Louis City Museum. They're not open on Mondays and Tuesdays. And with his connections, he was able to get us permission to go inside the City Museum and fly drones inside of it. And specifically, Shendrone squirts, so the Cine Whoops. So we are meeting up, me and Armando, as well as my partner with Cinactive Winston, Shames from Team Heart of America, and Andy Shen himself of Shendrones. We're all meeting up at the City Museum today to film from like hopefully noon until like 5 o'clock. We're all grabbing an Airbnb tonight, and then we're coming back again tomorrow to continue shooting. So we basically have like 10-12 hours of just like raw time available to us to go in and film in the City Museum. So we're gonna make some pretty cool stuff, and I'm really pumped about it. So I hope you'll enjoy this journey, and we'll get some cool footage out of it.
Welcome to heaven, huh?
What's that?
You're not here as easy as you got it.
I dumped one in a creek. It was a foot under.
I just took a hair dryer.
Oh shit! I just said on top of the.
Let's go for a tour. Let's figure out what there is to see. I don't know, I'm overwhelmed. Let's go down to the first floor. Let's start on the first floor.
Such a fabulous sight.
I love how subtle the entrance to this slide is. Oh shit! You pulling your slide?
How did I not slide down?
That's the fastest I've ever seen Andy go. This is a whale. That's
Mine, dude, mine.
Is that a Wanus? Hands out, fish bite. I'm already lost.
This goes up. There's a little. Holy shit.
Pretty free flow.
With it being cement, like.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so.
You got the drone, man. This would be cool. Except there's a net, like at the.
Yeah, they talked about maybe moving the net. I don't know.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's.
I don't know where I'm going. Oh no. What is this? Aw, no lap rides. That looks terrifying. I don't like it. Holy crap, it's fast. Holy shit. I'm dizzy. Oh my gosh. There's like a whole skate park in here too.
This is literally like the greatest place to fly.
I just set off that fire alarm by crashing into a fountain. I think they're like protecting the goldfish or the money in there. I'm glad it's not like a lipo flare or something.
Ah, they're testing it. Okay. I thought for sure we did something.
So the fire alarm going off was perfectly timed with me reaching in the fountain to pull my drone out.
Oh no. It took a dive, huh?
So I hope it wasn't me. Extra weight to it.
Funny.
Sorry.
Where's he gonna land, by the way?
Yeah, this is the only good spot to come in.
Oh god.
The rake is too great.
Maybe we should have listened to him when he said I'm gonna ditch it on the
Before you do anything else, put that tilt out a little bit.
It's locked, man. It's locked.
Just got the first couple batteries in, and now Winston's taking his car out on the little skate park thing. So we're gonna check that out, get some shots of that. Alright, so that's a wrap on day one. We had an awesome time, found some crazy spots. Like, it's overwhelming. We haven't figured out where everything is yet. And but we found one spot down in like there's like a restaurant where we can fly like everywhere from. So we're gonna kind of have to tackle that again tomorrow and come up with all those crazy like one line, single take stuff. So anyway, we're gonna go get some food and see you tomorrow.
You got a little too spicy there.
Hopefully that was rolling. It's not my day. Oh, jeez.